USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against franc, Swiss. Before we start the analysis, let's get back to where, I don't know, I have so many things in my mind. So let's get back to here. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you're new. So subscribe and like and do all of that. That's the work for you, okay? I'm giving you thousands of dollars of worth content for free. Least your responsibility is to subscribe, like, and share, okay? And then what we have some links below the video. So in case you want to join the monthly membership, you can go and check out this link after watching this video. And if you want to join some free Telegram channel, if not some, my free Telegram channel, click on this link, check out the brokers and also go and check out these links and subscribe and like, and let's get back to the business. Okay, USDCHF, go watch my video from yesterday. I told you in daily that whatever happens on 6th of May, that will be the direction of the trend. So yesterday, I told you if this is going to go up, then this will act these two previous. Okay, let me explain this step by step. Let me treat you as a kid. Okay, so let's go back to top-down approach first, starting with the weekly. In weekly, what we have, we are in the continuation of the downtrend. Looks like to me. Okay, so I think we're gonna take this low again. So the time will tell, but in weekly we are going down again, and we are in the strong downtrend anyways. You can see the price is so far below the EMA, so we are in the strong downtrend in the USDCHF. Okay, now in daily chart, let's repeat what I said yesterday. Yesterday was like I told you yesterday what's gonna happen. So we had double top. So this is a double top. This price did not break the previous highs. So that's why we went down last couple of red candles. But yesterday I was just waiting for third candle to build on 6th of May. And now this third candle is clearly going down. You see here, there are sellers. You see long wick. This so long wick. There are so many sellers pushing the USD down right now against dollar franc, against the Swiss franc. Okay, it's a clear confirmation. Yesterday I was telling you that either these two candles will act as a pullback and then it will go up, or it will continue the downtrend. So I was waiting for today's candle as a confirmation, and today we have this candle as a confirmation that we're gonna go down, baby. Okay, so now we are going to continue the downtrend, and tomorrow I also have this confirmation. As per my experience, tomorrow as well, dollar is gonna go down. I'm telling you right now. Okay, so if dollar is gonna go down, obviously USD CHF is gonna go down as well. Okay, so I guess 100 pips easily available, but USD CHF both are strong currencies. Understand? Okay, Swiss franc is also a very strong currency. So if you do not want to trade two strong currencies simultaneously, better options are go with the Euro USD, GBP USD. Okay, so bottom line is quite simple there. Tomorrow dollar gonna go down, which means GBP is gonna go up, Euro is gonna go up. Okay, for me, you can trade GBP, Euro USD, either of them. Euro USD will give you 100 pips tomorrow very easily. Okay, very easily. So just go and enter buy the Euro USD, or go sell USD CHF and get your 80, 100 bits in USD CHF in a short position, and you'll be good to go. Okay, 4 hour, we have the confirmation. We made a new low. Did we? We may not. Okay, so we have this closed at 82214, and this is at 82219. Okay, we might have some problems. So okay, so the market is closed. So this is 82214. 82214, and this is 82219. This is a double bottom mate or man. But so the US market had just closed right now. Okay, but don't panic. When this is the beauty, isn't it? That's the pattern, right? So right now I'm recording the video at a different time. You're watching the video at a later time. And live trades, we will we will enter the market at a later time. Okay, so if you want some live action, make sure you are into the membership. Okay, so go and join membership if you want some live action. But at current, I can tell you, US market has just closed 1 minute ago, and at this time in 4 hour, we have a double bottom. Okay, so this previous low was not broken by this last candle of today on 6th of May in US time. But it doesn't mean that it is surely a trend reversal, because next candle might easily break this previous low. Do you understand what I'm saying? So as per now, if I have to follow the definition, As per now, this can act like a trend reversal and can go up. That too in 4 hour only, okay? Daily, I'm still confirmed. Daily, you can see price is a long way. Daily, we are going down, baby. Daily, we are going down. No question in that, okay? In the 4 hour, I think two things will happen. Maybe a pullback or another candle which will break this low and then boom, boom, okay? So why should you get to know everything for free? Just subscribe to my pay membership or pay me some money. You can book consultation with me and pay me the money. I'll tell you what's going to happen in real time. So you get what you get for free, right? Be happy with that. But shit, what are you getting for free? Because nobody else is doing the free. Nobody else is doing this for you for free, okay? So subscribe, like, do whatever it takes, okay? If you have any confusion, no problem. Go for Euro or GBP USD for tomorrow. We have so many opportunities. We don't really, have to trade all the pairs at once, okay? So pro tip here is that only trade one pair at a time. So if you're going to enter one trade, don't enter any other trade. One pair at a time, okay? Don't increase your risk, right? So what we have, that's it. This is going to go down. 4 hour, I told you already. For now, as per the definition, it's a double bottom. But again, next candle could break this. So yeah, this is the beauty. I'm recording, you're watching, and trades will happen at a later time, okay? So subscribe, like, check out these links, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, let's make some money.